Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngingena ku-X eyaziwa nge-Twitter, ngisithola pheka nansi ipost ethi breaking news. ANC bank account frozen and amid going debt battle. The long-running dispute between ANC and Ezulwini Investment has escalated dramatically, with the sheriff reported attaching the party's assets and bank account, and FNB ordered to release any available funds towards the debt. Ezulwini, which supplied ANC with election material for the 2019 polls, claimed that the party owes over 140 million rand, a figure the ANC has disputed as unauthorized or fraudulent, despite reported out-of-court settlement in late 2023. Organization enkulu njenge-ANC kuyadumaza ukuzwa indaba ezithi i-account yabo bayifrizile. Ukuzwa nje lezo ndaba lezo kuyadumaza ngoba uvele ucabanga ukuthi kazi abasebenzi abasebenza lapha ku-ofisini njengakuLuthuli House nakwezinye indawo bazohola na, noma baholile na uma kunezinto ezinje. I-ANC-ke ibhala istatement mayelana nalolu daba, kodwa ngaphambi sifike kwi-statement se-ANC asiqale sifunde ukuthi kwenzakalani kulolu daba lolu. Letha le evela e-High Court iya ku-Sheriff ibhalwe ngomhla ka-3 ku-October 2025. Ibhaleke case number yokuqala ne-case number ye-appeal ngoba athi icala elajika naku-appeal. Iphakathi in the matter between Ezulwini Investment kanye ne-African National Congress. Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi umyalelo oya ku-Sheriff okunto efuneka ayenze sizoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe. You are hereby directed to attach and take into execution the movable goods and the execution data. The African National Congress of Chief Albert Luthuli House number 54 Sour Street, Johannesburg, which includes incorporeal property, specifically the account held by executive debtor with any and all financial or banking instructions, wherever such removable goods may be found, and to raise therefrom the sum of 85,578,551 rand 29 cent, which sum is inclusive of interest up to and including the 16th of September 2025 and exclusive of costs which are to be taxed, which the judgment creditor recovered by judgment of this court on the 17th of September 2020 and 29 June 2022 in the above mentioned matter, and following judgment debtor appeal to the full court of the Supreme Court of Appeal having been dismissed on the 24th of November 2023, including cost to be taxed, which judgment creditor recovered by the judgment of the Supreme Court of Appeal, and including cost to be taxed, which judgment creditors recovered following the judgment debtor's application for leave to appeal to the Constitutional Court on the 4th of September 2025 being dismissed. Further paid to the said attorney sum or sums due to the judgment creditor with cost as above mentioned, including cost of angisaboni kahle la ngenxa yestamp lesi, kodwa nje lilonke lona umyalelo ophuma e-High Court uya ku-Sheriff ukuthi akayothatha impahla lapha Chief Albert Luthuli House ngoba kufanele ikhokhe le mali le. Bayabala-ke ngokwama-date ukuthi i-judgment yokuqala yaphuma nini, lolu daba la kuyi-appeal, isinqumo se-appeal saphuma nini. Baphinde balithatha bathi baluse Constitutional Court lafike lachithwa khona. So lilonke i-ANC befuneka ikhokhele le nkampani le kuthiwa i-Ezulwini Investment. Namhlanje kayizange ikhokhele njengoba sekuphuma lo myalelo lo othi uSheriff akayodla impahla lapha ku-ANC. Ne-ANC senkingeni yazo hayi encane. Asiqhubeke ngoba athanda ukuba maningana lamaphepha bese sifunda istatement sayi-ANC sizwe ukuthi yona ithini. Ngoba ubona usheriff use-acta ngokwemiyalelo anikwe wona. Le letter iphume ngomhla ka-2 October 2025. Uyibhalele i-First National Bank. Wabhala ne-case number phezulu, uyabhala ukuthi notice of bank account attachments. Uthi, please be advised, we require your branch to supply our office within 5 days of service of the warrant and notice of attachment to notify us in writing. Waseshi email yakhe, who will be dealing with the bank account attachments with contact details and whether there is funds available in the account or not. Khumbula ukuthi umyalelo uthi usheriff ufuna adle impahla imali kuma-bank account ngoba le mali lefuneka ayithathe yonke manje nempahla idliwe izokwazi ukuthi ibe yile yavalue yale mali efuneka ikhokhelwe le Ezulwini Investment kanye nezindleko zenkantolo. Kulukhuni. Azike ezinye zezinto ezidliwe amadesk a-100 acosta plus or minus 30,000 rand, iy'tulo eziwu-200 esicosta plus or minus 20,000 rand, kube ama-couches ayi-9 kanye nama-lounge chairs, iy'tulo lezi eziwu-9. Zonke lento ozibona zibhalela, okunye angikuboni kahle. Ya, kodwa konke mase bekubheka ivalue yakhona icosta plus or minus 140,000. Le ndaba iserious. Le ndaba iserious. Usheriff akadlali manje useqalile wenza umsebenzi wakhe. Le letter le iphuma kwi-High Court of South Africa, Gauteng Local Division eJohannesburg, phakathi kodaba oluphakathi kwe-Ezulwini Investment okummangali ne-African National Congress okummangalelwa. Then ifundeka kanje, isihloko sithi return of service, right of execution against property. This is to certify that payment of the judgment debt plus cost has been demanded from Tendamo Motaung in the legal department at Chief Albert Lutule House, 54 Sour Street, Johannesburg, on this day, 2nd of October 2025 at 3:05 p.m. as the above-named person was unable to pay the judgment debt and cost in full or in part on behalf of debtors. The goods described in the inventory contained in the attached notice of attachments were judicially attached. Important notice: kindly furnish me immediately with your further instructions as to whether the goods under attachment must be removed to a place of safety. A sale date and a sale requirement will only be supplied after removal. Serious ngempela lolu daba. Yabona impahla leya ethathwe lapha ku-ANC izothengiswa ngoba funeka le mali. Izothengiswa ngoba iyafuneka le mali. Iyafuneka. Ya, awuthi-ke sifunde istatement esikhishwe yi-ANC sizwe ukuthi yona ithini-ke ngalolu daba njengoba selibekiwe. Statement i-ANC isikhiphe ngomhla ka-4 October 2025. Isihloko sithi African National Congress Statement on Ezulwini Right of Execution. Sifundeka kanje. The African National Congress, ANC, notes media reports and public commentary regarding the right of execution obtained by Ezulwini against the ANC. The ANC, through its legal representatives and forensic auditors, has formally notified the plaintiff and the attorney about the novation of the court's order. Typhon Forensics, appointed to investigate this matter, has obtained a sworn affidavit from a former ANC employee who admitted to being bribed to falsely claim that Ezulwini delivered banners and advertising material. Further, forensic investigations have revealed that Ezulwini was not registered for VAT at the time of the transaction, yet fraudulently charged VAT. This issue will be referred to the South African Revenue Services, SARS, for appropriate action. The ANC, in the process of setting aside the rate execution, and intend to pursue counterclaim for all payments made to date,
The ANC believes that Ezulwini has been unjustly enriched and plans to initiate private prosecution proceeding against its directors. The ANC will not be distracted by attempts to sensationalize this matter and by leaking the confidential information to the media. We remain committed to transparency and accountability and will act firmly within the bounds of the law to protect the integrity of our movement. As we will be engaged in judicial proceedings, the ANC will refrain from further public discussions of this matter. Mr. Mahir Tayob is authorized to respond to any media inquiries following the filing of our intended application and related legal actions. And isikhishwe ke i-ANC le statement. Dabeni la ngo-2019 ANC sonke lesikhathi ayizange ibheke indaba ukuthi ikhampani osenza nayirejistile neVET na, ngoba sekuphuma lesinqumo manje sokuthi abadlelwa impahla sesebevela nalezi tori. Mhlambe ziliqiniso angeke siphike, kodwa why zivela manje lezi tori? Sonke lesikhathi babethuleleni kuhanjwa amakhoti ukuba baliluzanga icala enkantolo, yazi inkantolo yaba-order ukuthi abayikhokhele le kampani Ezulwini. Ngabe bayithole nini le information? So ngokwami i-ANC icasha ngesithupha, ibalekela ukuvuma ukuthi isenkingeni, sizama ukuza namaqhinga. Siyazi-ke ukuthi njengoba besemandleni bangakwazi ukusebenzisa i-SARS, bangakwazi ukuyimanipulate indaba ye-SARS ukuze le khampani le ibonakalise ephutheni. Engani wonke umuntu ophambene nabo uvukelwa amacala we-VAT, we-tax, sengithi VAT, we-tax. Uyakhumbula ukuthi uJulius Malema wathi mayijikelana nabo wavukelwa ukuthi ukolota i-VAT, i-tax. Wavela ukuthi ukolota i-tax Julius Malema. uSolly Mabhayile kule maviki aphelile kuvela isikweletu asikweletayo yena nje kwi-SARS, ngoba esephambene ne-ANC sonke lesikhathi engakaphambani nabo, engakavuki zonke lezi nkinga. ANC isenkingeni, ANC isenkingeni. Angibambe le video, bengithi angikwazise nje ukuthi ANC isenkingeni. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.